Hi, I'm Martin Williamson from KEW Engineering, and I'm here at the National Fluid Power Centre. Those of you doing work with hydraulics will know that, of course, it's vital to be able to tap into the system, whether to take an oil sample, whether to get a pressure reading. And what I have in front of me are the test kits that are supplied by Hydrotechnik, which include the Minimess fittings, the 1620. But as you can see, they're quite simple kits which focus specifically on a need, either for the certain thread types, certain manufacturer types. You've got your hosing, you've got your gauge, and you've also got your test fittings. But what happens when you're on site and your focus isn't so specific and you need to look at a broader range of equipment? And that's where Hydrotechnik came up with the Minimess Monster kit, which we have right here. Now, if you're familiar with flying offshore, you'll know that you need the kind of casing that's rugged and safe, or if it's going to be thrown in the back of a van, for example, taken to a construction site, and you don't have the opportunity to pop down to your local catalog component store, then this is the ideal kit essentially for that, which is everything combined in one package. And what you'll have is all the fittings available to you, which we have, again, the hosing with the test fittings on them, and cover to keep these fittings all nice and secure. You've got a nice range of fittings in the tray here. And we've also then got a number of adapter fittings that can be tapped into the main hose, then along with the standard Minimess fitting with its threaded cap, of course, you'll be familiar with the O-ring seal, etc., the threaded cap, suitable for most applications. And within the kit, you've also got your gauge, your analog gauge for pressure readings. You've got two of those, in fact, and then you've got a digital gauge as well. So let's take a closer look at what's in the kit, because you've got a range of fittings. You've got your BSP, your metric, your JIC, your ORFS, and there's going to be something that suits everybody's needs in here. So take a look at the specification sheet, because I think, based on my experience, it's something that will suit a lot of engineers and technicians on site that need to tap into hydraulic systems, whether it's for pressure reading or taking oil samples or whatever else it is you need to be doing with that hydraulic system. Thank you.